Friends, today we are going to be taking a look at lesson 1-8, multiplication strategies. Okay, so I want you to think about this first problem right here. We've got Ellie, and Ellie bought 3 packs of stickers. Here's Ellie right here. And Ellie's got 3 packs of stickers, and in each pack there are 6 stickers. Okay, so that's 3 packs, 6 stickers in each. Okay, how many stickers are there all together? Right now you might be counting 6 plus 6 plus 6, and you might write a number model like 6 plus 6 plus 6. Today I'm going to teach you a multiplication strategy. When you see this multiplication sign, oftentimes you've thought about this as times, but I simply want you to think of multiplication as the same as groups of today. Okay, so multiplication is the same as groups of. So go ahead and take a moment and pause right here to draw my picture with 3 packs, 6 stickers in each pack. And we've got our number model right here. And that's 6 plus 6 plus 6. And when we add 6 plus 6 plus 6, we should get 18. Okay? I want you to remember that multiplication we're thinking of as groups of right here. Groups of. So I have 3 groups of 6 in each group. So I can write my number model as 6 plus 6 plus 6, or I can write my number model as 3 groups of 6, and that equals 18. Okay, so again, make sure that you paused and unpause when you're ready to move on. Okay, so let's consider another problem. Okay, in this one we've got Max, and Max has baseball cards. And he keeps his cards in a rectangular box. The box fits 4 rows of baseballs. 4 rows of cards. With 5 in each row. I want to know how many baseball cards altogether. Okay, so we got Max has baseball cards in a rectangular box. The box fits 4 rows of cards with 5 in each row. How many cards are all together? Okay, so right now I want you to draw a picture to represent this. Just a math sketch, a quick math sketch. And when you are ready, I want you to unpause to check your answer. Okay, so I hope that you have paused and now you're unpaused to check your work here. So you got the box is in a rectangle. And the box fits 4 rows of cards with 5 in each row. So I've got columns that go this way or rows that go this way. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in each row, 5 in each row. Okay, so I have one row of 5, one row of 5, one row of 5, one row of 5, or 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, or I could have written this as 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 5. And either way, I should have gotten 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 groups of 5 is equal to 20. Alrighty, go ahead and raise the roof for yourself. If you drew an image that looked like this, you might have drawn 4 groups with 5 in each group. Okay, and that would have been correct too. We call this, when we've got a rectangle with rows and columns, this is called an array. You might have remembered that from addition. Okay, so when we've got a math drawing arranged in rows and columns that are equal, just like that, we call that an array. Alrighty, so if you are at home and want to continue practicing this, I'll show you something else that you can do. Okay, all you need is a dice, or you can just make up numbers if you don't have a dice at home. But I'm going to roll this dice twice, and I'm going to come up with an equal groups sharing problem. I'm going to have 6 groups and 4 in each group. 6 groups of 4. Okay? Remember, groups of is the same thing as multiplication, or 6 groups of 4. Okay? So I have counters here that if you've got something like this at home, I suggest, but you could use anything you have a lot of game pieces or toy cars or anything that you have available. You can even get scraps of paper and rip those up. So I have 6 groups of 4, so I'm just going to practice here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm putting 4 in each group. Notice when I do an array, I want to make sure that I am nice, neat, and organized, and I don't have anything going squiggle squaggle, but I'm nice, neat, and organized. I've got my columns and rows straight so I can count quickly. Okay, so here I can count by 4s 6 times, right? 6 groups of 4. 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, I had one extra row. So 6 groups of 4 are adding 4 6 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And either way, 6 groups of 4, I should have gotten 24. Okay? So you can continue this and continue practicing, just wiping off our board. You can ask an adult at home to check your work. You can ask to borrow a calculator to check your work. Or you can simply double check and count to check your work. And if you get the same answer twice in a row, then you know that you've got it there. So right here I've got 6 groups of 3 this time. 6 groups of 3. So I write 6 groups of 3. Okay, so I'm going to do 6 rows of 3 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many in each row? Groups of 3. So I've already got 1 in each group, so I put 2 more. Okay, so I've got right here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, so 6 groups of 3 is equal to 18. So go ahead and continue practicing that, friends, until you feel comfortable with multiplication strategies of rows and columns and arrays today. Okay, thanks for watching.